Starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, we've got Mustang 3 pushing the red off the goal. Mustang 6 with some green cubes in their intake. Let's see if they can score them. Looks like Mustang 6 is pushing all those reds off. Mustang 3, seeing if they can push some of those greens. Got Mustang 6 with some greens. You can now switch drivers. Lifting up to see if they can score it. As we get to 25 seconds, you can now switch if you have it. And Mustang 6 gets a cube in. Mustang 3 trying to push some cubes out of the way to get that full mark. Mustang 3, see if they can get some more greens. As we get out to the last 10 seconds, we'll see if they can make some marks. With 5 seconds left, it looks like Mustang 3 is parked. Q57.